Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to preview your website pages and posts on mobile view while editing your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to log in. Let's get our username and our password. Okay, so that's going to take us to our dashboard. Let's go ahead and let's get rid of this and let's go full screen. So from dashboard to preview your pages and posts on mobile view, you're actually going to go to the website button. This is where the editing tools for editing your post pages, and then also there's your settings. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our post and pages. Real quick though, let's tab over to our AAA outdoor scene. We're going to go ahead and view this page here. This is our home page. We'll view this page, and then also one of our posts, our tips on writing great email headlines. We're going to go ahead and view this post. So let's go back to Connect. And first of all, so from the website button, let's go ahead and click on Pages. And this is where you edit your pages. These are all our different pages. So let's go ahead and click on our home page. We're going to click Edit. And while you're editing your home page, this is our editing box here, and while you're editing your website, there's this previews button right here. So click on the previews button, and this way you can preview your website, preview the page that you're editing. Now there's the desktop view, and then also right here's the mobile view. So if you want to view it on mobile, just click that mobile view right there, and you can view what the mobile looks like while you're editing it. So that's a really good feature that you can view both of these, the desktop and the mobile view, while you're editing your pages. So let's go ahead and go back to simple here. Okay, there's the desktop, back to simple. And if after editing, make sure you always hit update too. You'll lose any changes if you don't. So let's go back to posts. Now, first we were on pages, but now we're going to go to posts. And this is the post, tips on writing great email headlines. Let's go ahead and edit this. Scroll down. Here's the editing box here. And here's the previews button. So we're going to go to our mobile here. And then that way while we're editing, we can preview our post while we're editing. Let's go back here. And let's go back to dashboard. But that's basically it. So on pages and posts, while you're editing your pages and posts, we'll go back to pages real quick. While you're editing your pages or while you're editing your posts, make sure you scroll down and you look at the mobile view while you're editing on the preview button. So let's go ahead and go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to preview your website pages and posts on mobile view with Dataczar Connect.